Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for rebuilding worn premium hubs on a 79 Bronco. These are manual locking hubs on a Dana 44 front axle. I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out.
My Bronco is missing the hub retaining snap ring that you'll need a snap ring tool to remove. This is one reason why I purchased a hub rebuild kit.
All right, so the reason my hubs were spraying grease is because the ring is non-existent. And with these rebuild kits, you do get a new ring and also all new screws and hardware. I had several that were stripped out, missing different sizes, so really nice to have this rather than just buying all new hubs. And you could buy another set and then use this as backup too. Here's the locking ring, new replacement. So I'll just go ahead and toss this. Install the hub. Make sure the gears line up right. So the snap ring should fit in this groove here, help retain this. I'm glad I bought this rebuild kit because the snap ring was not even in here. I'll drop this in to retain the hub. Alright, now you want to insert this gear. You want to make sure that the gears are facing to the inside. So that spring goes in first, and you just want to check to make sure that it can seat, which can move in freely, so that's good. And with my rebuild kit, it came with all new screws, which is good. I had one missing and a couple different sizes. Get at least 2 of them on there. That's moving really nice, way better than it was. So I'm going to go ahead and install my other Allen head screws here to retain the hub.
Once all the Allen bolts are installed, if sitting on jack stands, engage the hub and rotate the rotor to see if the front drive shaft spins like it should. Thank you for watching this how-to video. I've included links to all the products and tools I used in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Also, I'm posting weekly videos, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.